Unit 3. Tape script 3.1. Jobs. 1.
A teacher.
2.
A doctor.
3.
A bus driver.
4.
A police officer.
5.
A builder.
6.
A shop assistant.
7.
A nurse.
8.
A student.
9.
A businessman.
Tape script 3.2.
What's his job?
He's a teacher.
What's her job?
She's a doctor.
Tape script 3.3.
He isn't a student. He's a teacher.
She isn't a nurse. She's a doctor.
Tape script 3.4. Ellie Green. 1.
What's her surname?
Green.
2.
What's her first name?
Ellie.
3.
Where's she from?
England.
4.
What's her address?
29 Victoria Road, Birmingham.
5.
What's her phone number?
07700 955 031.
6.
How old is she?
She's 20.
7.
What's her job?
She's a student.
8.
Is she married?
No, she isn't.
Tape script 3.5.
Is Ellie from America?
No, she isn't.
Is she from Spain?
No, she isn't.
Is she from England?
Yes, she is.
Script 3.6. Metro 5. The audition interview.
Hi, is this your band, Metro 5?
Yes, it is.
Great. And are you Donnie McNabb?
No, I'm not. I'm Paul McNabb. This is Donnie. He's my brother.
Oh, yes, sorry. Hi, Donnie. You're a builder from Scotland, right?
Well, yes, I am a builder, but I'm not from Scotland.
Oh, where are you from?
We're from Ireland.
Ah, are the other boys from Ireland too?
No, they aren't. They're all from different countries.
Oh, interesting. And are they all builders?
No, they aren't. Paul's a bus driver, and...
Yeah, I'm a bus driver, and Ronan's a nurse, and Bo and Edson are students.
Interesting. And Donnie, are you the singer in the band?
Yes, I am. Well, we're all singers.
Oh, right. Nice to meet you. Good luck to you all.
Thank you very much.
Tape script 3.7. Questions and answers. 1.
What's the band's name?
Metro 5.
2.
Are Paul and Donnie brothers?
Yes, they are.
3.
Are they from Scotland?
No, they aren't.
4.
Are the other boys from Ireland?
No, they aren't.
5.
Are they all builders?
No, they aren't.
6.
Are they all singers?
Yes, they are.
Tape script 3.8. Diego Hernandez.
Good morning.
Hello.
What's your name, please?
My name's Diego Hernandez.
Thank you. And where are you from, Diego?
I'm from Mexico City.
Thank you. And your telephone number, please.
5546 247 312.
How old are you, Diego?
I'm 42.
And what's your job?
I'm a taxi driver.
And are you married?
No, I'm not.
Thank you very much.
Grace Chu.
Good afternoon.
Good afternoon.
What's your name, please?
Grace Chu.
And where are you from?
From New York.
Ah, so you're from the United States.
Yes, I am.
What's your phone number?
212-638-9475.
Thank you. How old are you?
I'm 33.
What's your job, Miss Chu?
I'm a shop assistant.
And are you married?
Yes, I am.
That's fine. Thank you very much.
Tape script 3.9. 1.
The band Metro 5 are in Brazil.
They aren't in Brazil. They're in the United States.
2.
They're in New York.
They aren't in New York. They're in Las Vegas.
3.
Bo's from Australia.
He isn't from Australia. He's from Sweden.
4.
Edson's from Sweden.
He isn't from Sweden. He's from Brazil.
5.
They're very tired.
They aren't tired. They're happy and excited to be here.
Tape script 3.10. Interview with the band.
Hi.
Hi. Hello.
Now, this is your first time in Las Vegas, yes?
Yeah, that's right.
It's fantastic here.
It's great.
Good. Now, one by one, Ronan, you're from Australia.
Yes, I am.
And how old are you, Ronan?
I'm 24.
Okay. And Bo, you're from Brazil and Edson's from Sweden.
No, I'm not from Brazil. Edson's from Brazil. I'm from Sweden.
Sorry, guys. So, Bo and Edson, how old are you?
We're both 21.
Yeah, that's right.
Okay. Now, Donnie and Paul, you're brothers.
Yeah, we are.
And you're from Scotland.
No.
We aren't from Scotland.
We're from Ireland.
Ireland. Oh, yes. Sorry. How old are you both?
I'm 22.
And I'm 19.
Thanks. Now, who's married in Metro 5?
We aren't married.
No.
I am.
Ah, Ronan, you're married.
Yeah. My wife's name's Lisa. She isn't here. She's in Australia.
Ah, well, thank you, Metro 5. Welcome to Las Vegas.
It's great to be here.
Thanks.
Tape script 3.11. Social expressions. 1.
I'm sorry.
That's okay.
2,
A coffee, please.
That's £1.20.
Thanks very much.
3,
Excuse me? Where's the station?
It's over there.
Thanks a lot.
4,
Thank you very much. That's very kind.
That's okay.
5,
¿Qué hora es?
I'm sorry, I don't understand.
6,
Excuse me, where's the town centre?
I'm sorry, I don't know.